hard to be smart. Oh, there's people standing there.
Oh.
There's more smart people.
Watch the pretty fireworks, honey. That's what we came for. Pretty, huh?
And you see something?
There won't be some. That'll be the only place we'll be tonight for the most part. We'll be right there.
If there's someone behind us, you go.
No, there won't be any behind us, sweetheart. You just watch the pretty fireworks that'll be in front of us.
He said behind us.
Pretty.
There's a lot more smart ones, Ryan.
That was cool.
Boom,
Boom, boom, boom.
what's scary?
No, those are over there. Those are cool. The bigger the bang, the better the buck.
Don't think too hard.
Pretty. Look at them way up there.
Look at the water.
How pretty, huh?
What's he trying to do?
I don't know. I don't care what he's trying to do. We're going to watch fireworks. He can go jump in the lake for all I care.
That's right.
Ready.
Ooh.
Fireworks.
Fireworks. Fireworks. He's trying to jump in the pool too.
He's not going to jump in anyway. He's just going to go watch them. Crackle Pop Rice Krispies. Oh, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Pretty.
I'm about to get out of the car. They just walked in front of my field. I don't care.
Ooh, that was supposed to be a star. Didn't work out too well. That's cool. Stop it. It's not bothering you. Just watch the fireworks and relax. You don't want any more?
I wasn't videotaping it. I'm so stupid.